Bloomreach is a digital experience platform designed to optimize e-commerce and content management through AI-driven personalization, analytics, and customer engagement. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started. Log into Bloomreach. Use your credentials to sign in at bloomreach.com. Familiarize yourself. The dashboard offers tools for content management, product discovery, and personalization. Connect your platform. Integrate Bloomreach with your e-commerce platform to import your product catalog. Data configuration. Ensure your data is structured properly, including product attributes, categories, and pricing for accurate insights. Audience segmentation. Use customer data to create segments based on behavior, demographics, and purchase history. Personalized campaigns. Configure Bloomreach to deliver tailored recommendations, targeted emails, or landing pages. Search and recommendations. Use AI-powered tools to enhance on-site search, suggesting relevant products to users. A/B testing. Test different search configurations and recommendations for optimal results. Analytics dashboard. Monitor KPIs like conversion rates, customer behavior, and campaign performance. Continuous improvement. Refine strategies using real-time data insights.